Guys, welcome back. This episode is focused on routing. Now, you ask yourself, what is routing? Think about routing as simply a traffic police. If you write the URL, for example, 127.0.0.1, what is at the end is /. It says that if you come to the application, when you type the base URL and then you have a URI called /, what happens is you're trying to do a GET request and the GET request on this URI and it returns you this code. So basically what the route thing does is it listens to any request that is coming into the application and it decides what to serve. The other process, of course, which we've left aside, like maybe the middleware and the service containers and service providers, but we focus today on route. So if you type, for example, localhost /contact, what should happen? If you type /about, what should happen? If you type /terms, what should happen? So this extra section called the URI is going to be handled by the route. So in this case, we're going to see how the route can handle it to determine if I type contact, what should happen? If I type views, what should happen? If I type terms, what should happen? So the way to compose a route, if we can look at this small screenshot from the website I got out here, is once there are three parts in a route. There is the method. What is the method which you're going to use? For now, we're focusing on GET request. GET request is simply loading an HTML page, typing maybe facebook.com/page, google.com, whatever the base URL. So it's a GET request. Now the destination of the request, what is the URI? What is the URI? What do you want to access? This is /. It could be contact us, it could be about us, it could be terminal, it could be profile or whatever. Now, once this request has been hit, what should happen? So when you hit this route, when you hit this /, what should be executed? What function should be executed? So in this case, it's saying that you return a view of hello world. Now we will do a small test of other routes. We could say route, let's say we want to have a contact us route. So basically we'll say route get contact us, for example. Now we'll say if a user types on contact us, what happens, right? Function. When a user types on contact us, what happens? We want to simply say, let's just say echo you are in the contact us route. We save this, and it will save this. It means that we want to see, well, if we go to 127.0.0.1 and start /contact us, we should see echo you are in contact us route. So we'll come back to our system and we say /contact us, enter, and you have it here. You are in contact us route. Same thing here. We can try another one. Route get about, sorry. So we're saying that another route called about is been added. So if we try it here, we say no longer contact us. We have instead about, and it says you are in about us. So you see, this is how we create a new route. So if you have different pages, routes are basically, you can create different pages. Let's call it like that. In the old, you used to have about.php or .html, but that is kind of old now. Those things are no longer used. So you have contact us about. So you can add whatever link you want to add. Now you have this /. It is optional. You can actually remove it. You mustn't use. So if we remove that and we come to our page and we refresh, it still works seamlessly. And you can have multi-level of the route. You can say, let's say profile, or we can say we want to see profile and contact information. We'll say route get profile function. You are in profile me. So if I type profile/me, it should give me you are in profile me. So let's try that. Yeah, it works. So it says you are in profile me. So depending on the level of the hierarchy, you can always add as long as possible. But then there are other ways for you to shorten down these terms. So far, I think you've seen how basic routing works. We're going to look at advanced concepts of routing in the course of the tutorial. So again, if you want to compose a route has three parts. It has the verb. In this case, we're going to be focused on get. Get is loading and a normal page. You have the destination. What is the destination that you want to open? And if you open this destination, what is the function that you want to be executed? What do you want your application to do? What do you want the Laravel application to do? As we go deep inside, we'll see that this part, we're going to replace it with a lot of code. Now, imagine that you're supposed to write you're supposed to do long operations, fetch data from the database, communicate with an API, do a lot of stuff that could take like 2,000 or let's say 100 lines. It means contact us, you're going to write 100 lines here. You're going to write 100 lines here. Um, uh, Profile me, you're going to write 100 lines here. That brings us to the next part, which is controllers. Controllers helps you to make these things look better. So on the next episode of this series, we're going to look at how controllers make your application look simpler and more readable. See you in the next section.